here at the John Hardy Kapal Bamboo Boutique and Workshop. John Hardy is a jewellery brand that started in Bali in 1975. This is where all the magic happens here in Mambal. It's where all the jewellery is made and it's open to the public. Today we're going to take you for a walkthrough and show you what you can enjoy right here in Mambal, Bali. If you come to visit on a weekday, you can make your way down to the workshop. Now, workshop tours are completely free, but it's advisable to book a day in advance. Once you get down there, you will see over 600 artisans hard at work making all of the jewellery pieces by hand. Now, we've just come back from there. It's absolutely amazing, but no cameras are allowed in there. So if you want to see what's happening down there, you need to come for a visit. We're going to take a walk through Wantiland. Wantiland is where all of the designers work here at the workshop. All of the designing happens in this room, but you can also come in and do a masterclass of your own and learn how to make your own jewellery. During the masterclass, you get to try your hand at all different elements when it comes to jewellery making. Starting with drawing and rendering, you get to do some carving, and then you also even get to try your hand at chain weaving. One of the highlights not to be missed when you come and visit the workshop is enjoying one of the original John Hardy long table lunches right here in the Mambal jungle. We're here at the Kapal Bamboo Boutique. The boutique is open 7 days a week and you can come in, browse the range, try it on, and what better souvenir to bring home from your Bali holiday than your very own piece of John Hardy jewellery. We hope you've enjoyed our tour through the John Hardy compound here in Mambal, and we hope we've inspired you to come and take a visit yourself. Whether you come and enjoy some lunch, do a masterclass, or of course bring home a gorgeous piece of jewellery for yourself.